Have your materials ready. Cardboard, glue, scissors, crayons, brass fastener, or split pin. If you don't have one, you can use a push pin. And lastly, the printed template number 2. Color the printed template first. You can use your crayon or colored pencils in coloring. Then, paste the whole paper on the cardboard. After pasting it, let's cut the whole circle and the arrow. Be careful in cutting. You can always ask for assistance to help you cut them. There! Let's make a hole on our arrow or pointer and also on our circle. You can use your pencil or pen in making a hole. Ask for assistance in making a hole as well. Lastly, using our split pin or push pin, let's put the arrow in the middle of our wheel and ta-da! Well done! Using your pointer, you can tell us what's the weather today.